No, get out of there. We're not going to eat that. Let's see. Okay. Get down. Here we go. Get rid of that one. Okay. All right, that's enough. Hey, you know what she's... Here we go. Take this down. Gonna put that underneath the porch and this as well. So the porch is finally finished. We've just been storing all our stuff here until it's finished, so it's time to move it now. Snips, are you gonna help? All right, we're missing a piece. I think it's in the attic. Let's put it on the other side. Do you want me to grab the other end? You got it. Just put it upside down. Alright, just put it. You just put it next to the green stuff.
Shove it all the way.
Well, I see them some room to run.
So I think he only does it if it's an emergency, because like remember last night when... Try to keep it like pop up.
Alright, Daphne, put it under there. Alright, I got it. Alright. Alright, lift it. Needs another pallet.
Everything is snugly under the deck. Except for this one. Right? And Daph. Maybe those two. this away for later. Since we got our deck redone, we no longer have hooks on the decks, so I can't hang these, and I already have those 2 other flower baskets that just look a lot nicer, and so I'm just gonna get rid of these plastic ones, but I'm gonna take the potting soil. These I got off IKEA for $2 each, and then I just drilled holes in them because they couldn't drain properly. I do want to hang on to these, so I'm just going to empty them out, empty the potting soil into there, and then stack these in my shed on the shelf. Then in a couple months, I'll be planting seeds. So this used to be under the deck, and the workers just threw mulch over it. I'm gonna plant some grass, but first I'm gonna dig up all these bricks. Remove them. These are the old post holes for the post, and oh, I guess there's some brick down here. I'm just gonna fill it in with rocks. It's all these extra rocks. There's dirt. If you dig down deep enough, there's dirt. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some grass seed. Alright, so this is what I dug up. So I made a dent in the yard work. Didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but it's a start. It is staying lighter for longer. Spring is on the way in a few weeks, officially. I'm sure it'll snow again a few more times, but so I can do this stuff after work, or at least a little bit. Stay tuned for future videos, and I will be building the garden hopefully this spring. Gosh, it's gonna be a project.